I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I'm here in the little bathroom. No, I'm not doing that. What I am doing is fixing the faucet. Had kind of an odd thing happen to the sink. I put this in new about 2 years ago, and all of a sudden this handle loosened up. Now it's held in place with a little set screw down in there inside the handle that's behind that little red plug. So I'm going to have to remove the red plug, tighten up the set screw with it in place, and then put the little red plug back in. It's a simple fix, but kind of an odd thing to happen. I don't know why it would have loosened up after 2 years. I mean, really loose. It's not just a little. It's like the thing backed off at full turn. And there's no way to get to it. Nothing hit it. Don't understand. But we'll fix that, and we'll go on from there. Well, I thought this was going to be kind of a hard thing to do, and then it's really just take out the little rubber doobie. With that little button out of there, I'm able to take this Allen wrench and then just tighten that screw up. I'll bet it's metric, because this is a standard imperial key set, and that's just a little bit loose, so I'm going to have to go down and get the metric keys. Well, my problem is it's not metric, and it's not imperial. I don't know what it is. I think it's just a cheap set screw. 3/32 wrench won't fit. It's too small. 1/8 inch won't fit. It's too big. This 3/32 I'm able to pull it off to the side and get enough bind in there to tighten it up. But I got a feeling the reason this thing came off in the beginning is it's allowed to shake. It's not supposed to, but that's what it's doing. Tight as I can get it. We'll see what happens. Now we'll put that little red button in there, and hopefully that'll take care of it. This was not a cheap valve. Now we got it tightened up. Seems like we're working good. We're all ready to go. If you have any suggestions for new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop it out in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.